Assalamu alaikum class. I hope you will be fine and enjoying your holidays. So class, I have an amazing topic for you today. As you know that class, you have learned about the mountains, plateau and valleys in your previous lecture. And today we are going to learn about the mountains and the types of mountains. So do you know class what is mountains? Have you any idea about the mountains? So let's see first what is mountain. Mountain is a high landform that rises above the surrounding area and it usually have a peak. Now let's see the types of mountain. In your book you can see there are some types of mountain on the page 19, and now you can see what is the name of type of mountains. First is fold mountains, volcanic mountains, dome mountains, residual mountains, and the last one is fault block mountains. So let's see what is all these mountains. Let's first we see fold mountains. Fold mountains, they form when two plates push together and land folds, means that two plates. Here is the question, which plates? Two titanic plates, you can see from your book and the picture, there are two titanic plates. When these two tectonic plates push together and land folds, then the fold mountains are formed. Now let's come to the second types of the mountain, fault block mountains. These form when block of crust move up or down along faults. You can see in the picture, here is the picture of fault block mountains. Here is the crust, and this crust when move up and down, then down along faults, then the fault block mountains are formed. Now let's come to the residual mountains. These are left over after softer rock around them erodes. Residual mountains are formed, means that when residual mountains are formed when the softer rock away and the harder rock are behind them, then the residual mountains are formed. Now let's come to the dome mountains. What is the meaning of dome mountains? Have you ever visited the picture and have you ever visited the Moscow and the shape of Moscow? So the shape of Moscow is like a dome. So dome mountains, these form when magma pushes up but does not erupt, then the dome mountains are formed. So basically what the main example of the dome mountains are Black Hills. Let's come to the last types of mountains, volcanic mountains. What is the type of these mountains? These form from lava during eruption, means that when the lava is formed during eruption, then the volcanic mountains are formed. So the main example, the best example of the volcanic mountains are mountain Etna. You can search it about Etna. So class, this is your today lecture and you have to learn it in a very well way. I will be share some questions and objective to you and you need to write them on your notebooks. Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.